Lingkod, Len. Len.
Maraming salamat po sa pag-attend ng birthday celebration na to. Tonight we're going to have birthday conference. Mama, Daniel, Yusan, Sol, and Joya, we're wishing you a very happy birthday from all the way down from Colorado Springs. As you can see, we have the Rocky Mountains behind me. So, all the way down from Colorado Springs to Dallas City to the birthday celebrants of the Madayan clan. Happy birthday. Nagpapasalamat po ako kay Rhea, kay Lenlen, kay Junior, kay Madeline, kay Alex, kay Galen, kay Mandy, Judith, Archie, kay Ren, Thomas, and General, and to those who helped make the celebration a success. Maraming salamat po. And Ma, again, I wish you more to come. And also to Lennon and Justin and Saul and Jojo. May all you have long life and healthy life. And also to those who are here tonight to join the celebration of the big
Bukat kayo, lain mo kayo.
younger generations to cherish this moment and that they will remember this and when they get older and I wish that all of you will have
Ayan na lang.
very, very happy celebration tonight. We're just watching you, but we will be celebrating with you too, even for your stars. And thanks to maybe this it makes us get closer to you. So, maraming salamat po sa mga nag-attend, and also to the birthday celebrants. I wish you more birthdays to come. And I have candles. Oh yeah, I have candles. I will press my song and Carla to stand up because Jojo and Justin obviously are not there. So, Mama, Carla, and so please stand up.
Okay, stand up. Okay, mag-glowing of candles sa wala si Tito Jojo, no? Si Tita Sol. Wala na, alam mo tayo. Highlight, natin biya ka. O si Kuya Jerson, wala yata. Karoon, wala mo na ako nakita? Wala. Ay, panihon lang sa tapos labangan.
But for me,
So na ako na tanan? Kaya tanta na taon na? Rekak ka diyan, sugod na. Apat na ako. Sige, apit na. Tuloy lang ka kandiyan nila. Tita Doris, okay na siya. Ready na daw sila?
have a candle for you.
Okay.
And this candle is a little different. I'm gonna have this candle show like this. Oh no, I'm sorry. Should be like this. This is a special candle. Okay, this is a special kind. So to those who don't want to have their age known, this is the best candle. Okay. So are you ready, Ma? Listen, and so please stand up and blow this candle. And I'm gonna count from 1 to 3. for you to blow this candle. Oh, yeah. Ready na ba ang inyong wishes? Okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, one more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Happy birthday pa rin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time, everybody sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Hey, thank you so much. So, magkanta niyo. Nagundasutang mo tayo. Lala, thank you. Tama ba? Thank you, thank you. Now, let's proceed to our intermission from our little kids. Teka, sina Train and other Deca Baby. Paano kayo, Ate Train?
Ayan ka, Len.
Yun ang mag-present.
Ate Train! Marami kami yung kayo. Dito ka sa alas.
Naka-loudspeaker ka. Ito ba nandiyan rin? Wait na may video.
Mag-sing lang sila and sino kasama mag-sing? Si Shaolin. Sino ba? Si Kuya. Siyempre, nandun si Kuya. Nandito si Ate Chen. Sige na, sige. Ay. Ay. Wala kayong balloon. Sige, wala kayong balloon.
Masagdan ang ginabuhat ba?
They want to sing a special song. Ano? Kulang ako.
Sabay lang pagka-order.
Ay, takas. Lasista! Like are waiting for your applause. Applause? Okay. Sino kayo?
Ano nakikita? Yan nakikita. New speaking ba?
Kulang ako, wala ka. Hindi ako'y magbubuo, hindi kita kasama. Nasanay na ako, nakikitang kaya, di ko kaya mag-isa. Puso ay pagbigyan, kulang ako, kulang ako.
Bahay ko po na.
Wala ka.
Bahay ko po na.
Bahay kubo, kahit muntik, ang aming doon ay sari-sari. Singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, patanis, pundo, patola, ampo, kalabasa, at saka may
Aksok Boulevard.
labanus-mus na sa sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya, sa paligid-ligid, puno ng tingan.
Si Tring Tring guys. Ikaw lang. Ito ang show din dito rin. Takpan, may tago-tago.
Thank you. Kay Lola.
Okay, thank you. Give them another round of applause, please. Oh, Kuya Kukoy, kita ka ato ha. Ikaw ang sunod unya. Bantay na. And now there's